Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create smooth microwave twixtor in After Effects. So let's get started. First of all, get your face track clips ready. Add Twixtor Pro to your clip. Untick in FPS is out FPS. Set the FPS according to your original clip's frame rate. My clips are 23.976 FPS. Now set image prep to contrast as enhance. Create a keyframe for speed and set it to 180 at the beginning. Then go to the end of the clip and set it to -180. Press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Select both the keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and copy my graph. Set frame interrupt to motion weighted blend. Leave warping set to inverse. Your smooth microwave twixtor is now ready. Simply copy the effect and paste it onto the remaining clips. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more After Effects tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.